10 toes, that's my MO.
All right, y'all, what it do, we in this thing. Just got this truck back, just delivered it. That's probably the previous video to the one you're watching right now. We're gonna hop in the beast right here. It's 11:15 in the morning. We got 4 cars to get. I gotta go and hook to the 18-foot trailer in the back. I should have did it yesterday when I got home for my long trip I had last week. Just lost track of time, and now it's been raining all night, so that's gonna be an adventure. But I got 4-wheel drive, and the 18-foot trailer is light, so I should be able to get back there, hook to it, and make it out of there without no issue. But yeah, like I said, I just at the time of recording this video, if you're following the channel, you know I just delivered that one home, and you know, this is a new video hopping in this one. So we will probably just shoot some footage picking up these 4 cars and delivering them. I'm not sure how much in depth I'm gonna get. Not sure if I'm even gonna show y'all trying to get the trailer. Maybe we might. I don't know. We freestyling, man. So let me get this thing crunk up. Well, I'll let y'all hear the boys. My boys Bentley and Bray, they love them cold starts, and we always do it on these LS trucks. So let me do a cold start on this damn Duramax right here and let y'all hear that, see what y'all think. Hopefully it sounded good. All right, I'm gonna go to the backyard. Y'all wish me luck. Let's see if we can get hooked to this and go make some money. All right, y'all. I had to switch into my 10 toes gear. Get that Georgia hoodie off. It's brand new. That's it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go down the side gravel driveway, and instead of going through the front yard, tearing the front yard up. So let's see if we can get back here in one piece. I gotta stop, put this mother in 4-wheel. Man, it's nasty out here. To the trailer. I'm gonna walk all the way back around there in the damn mud. I gotta go get the keys. Shit. Oh. I might have to hook to it and back it on up and come around, because this is pretty nasty right here. We got it hooked up. It is really nasty up under my front tires. So we're gonna see if we can get up out of here. It's pretty wet back here too. That's pretty wet. We're gonna try going forward and around. I don't know how this is gonna work, but this trailer is light, just under 2,000 pounds, so I hope we'll be good. My inner tires got a lot of tread, these got a little bit of tread, and the fronts had the most tread, so we'll see. Ooh, wait. Let's see what the beast got for us. see how much of a mess I made. Let's go take a look. Gotta move these damn things to the new concrete soon. Whoo! Listen to that. Hey. That's not too bad. It dug it up a little bit, but definitely not the worst I've seen. No, I might have went out that way. I just hate to get further away. That normally be pretty hard, pretty dry. I mean, you know, it's wet of course, but go up and then come around. This is just where it runs down at, so it always stays so wet and nasty right here. But we got out of it. We got out of it. I gotta get something else in the yard, like my goal is to have like a recovery truck. Like Matt's Off-Road, Robbie Layton, them kind of fellas. I need something that can, you know, 4-wheel drive, big knobby tire, something that I can get stuff out of the yard when it's stuck, or a tractor, something like that. I gotta get something like that. Cause had I got stuck and went through another fiasco, hell, I wouldn't have time to get my damn, you know, vehicles that I gotta get today. So, all right, I gotta plug my addresses in. I think I got half a tank of diesel, so I'm good on that. Gotta plug my addresses in and get started. So we'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, we made it out here to the first pickup. Ran into an issue. She signed the title wrong. Wow, that's hard to say. She signed the title wrong. So basically, instead of getting $90 to load it and take it 13 miles, I got $45 just to show up. So that's how that works. I gotta put these damn things up right quick. These ramps. But yeah, that's how that works. So we'll be able to leave from here and go to the next one without going to the auction. That saves some time. And all we lose is basically $45. But we didn't do much work either. So that's pretty good. Head to the next one. I have to get in here and take out the auction address. So we'll go in here, take that out. Now we're not gonna go
west on Forest Hills Circle toward Forest Hills Drive, then turn right onto Forest Hills Drive.
We're not going to that one just yet because that one's beside the auction. And now that I don't have to go to the auction, we could probably cut up to number 3. We're way down here. You know what? It might be better just to stay on the path that we're going. I'm gonna unhook it and look at the map and see. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna check that out. I'm gonna do the math going one way versus the other, and I'll cut y'all back on when we get to the next one. All right, y'all, we got this one loaded. It wasn't much to see. This is going 3 miles around the corner to the auction. Ran and drive, but did not run good. I think it's got a blown head gasket or something. It smells awful. So it did run though. I drove it on the trailer. So this one is paying a measly $60 to go 3 miles, and it was on the way to the next one. So can't complain about that. Everything going well. Don't want to do I might do a time lapse around the corner to the damn auction. Let me see if I can get the camera set up. We'll see. All right, we got this piece of junk delivered. We got to get up out of here now. And the next one, I think it's like 17 minutes away, something like that. So, shouldn't be too bad. Then I got one more that I'm picking up that I was gonna take home, but the guy actually said I could come at 3:30 now, so that changes things. I might go on and pick it up and run it back out here and be done. But just have to see. I think I gotta get me a rollback, man. I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. Y'all stay on me though. I like them Hinos right there. I gotta put these ramps up and I'll show y'all how far the next one is. 21 minutes, 15 miles. And this is the third one. We're headed to get the third one. And then, like I said, one more after that. They're all in this area though, so hopefully it works out. Run over there and go get it. Oh, sorry about that. And call this a day, man.
Need you to turn the wheel for me.
That's the only thing I'm lacking on this one.
Let me make it tight first.
Put it in neutral. Yeah, hold it just like that.
All right, turn to the right a little bit. Left just a hair. Right there. Turn to the right a little bit. A little bit more. Right there. Turn to the left just a little bit. Right. To the right a little bit. Right there. Hold it right there. All right, put it in park.
That's it for that one. Let me strap it down and write this man a check and I'll give you a little walk around. All right, got this one loaded up. Got some straps on it. It is going around the corner. I hope this is close. It should be fine. Going around the corner, 14 minutes. This one will be paying 90, I think. Yeah, 10 to 20 miles is $90. So we'll run it out to the auction right quick, then get our last one and call it a day. Trailer right there. That's a nice one. There y'all have it. Got that one off. Now we got one left. out of here. 22 minutes, 17 miles, 313. The guy hit me back and told me, asked me could I meet at 3:30 instead of 4:30, and I'm like, hell yeah. So I'm gonna check that out. Now what I need to figure out is, do I need to take it home, since I'll be closer to home than I would be coming back here? Well, it's about the same distance. Do I come back here and then go back home empty-handed, which is 35 minutes, or do I pick it up and just go home and drop it off tomorrow? It'll be the first thing I do before I do the other cars that I have. So actually, I'm gonna type it all into Google and see which route is like more efficient overall, and then that'll kind of influence my decision. So let me do that and I'll be right back. All right, so it actually makes sense to take it home and deliver it tomorrow as the, you know, the first vehicle I deliver tomorrow before I pick the other ones up that I have scheduled. So the way it works, and I'll put this on the screen, these screenshots or whatever. If I take it home, if I go pick this next car up and take it home, deliver it in the morning before I get started with the other stuff, it's 3 hours and 6 minutes, 145 miles. If I go pick it up, the same car, and bring it back to this auction, then go home, it's 3 hours and 22 minutes, 161 miles. So that's 16 minutes, but more importantly, 16 more miles. So I'm probably gonna pick it up and go home with it, and then that also lets me get home, you know, earlier. So, you know, the kids normally get off the bus around 4 o'clock sometime. So I'll be able to see them. I'll be there when they get off. And yeah, so let's go pick it up. Plan could change, but I think I'll pick it up and go home with it. So stick around, I'll be back. Put it in park. That was easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah. I like them Pimp Daddy shoes, man. Them is in them Pimp Daddy shoes. Ooh. I like them.
Leave the key.
Does the window roll down?
Yeah.
Yeah, leave the key in the ignition. Leave it right there. All right, let me put these up and put some straps on it. And well, is this door closed? Huh? Is this door closed? All right. All right, let me put some straps on. I'll be right back.
Oh yeah.
Will it close some more or no?
Yeah.
Close it, make sure it don't.
That's what I was thinking. Somebody left it open.
Slam it down. All right, there we go. All right. Y'all have a good day, man. I appreciate it. We got it. We finna go home with this one and call it a day. I wonder if I can beat the kids home. I don't think I can. I think they get home. Man, look at all that. Golly, man. Damn. Gotta clean that. Jeez. All right. Let's see if we can beat the kids home. What's up, Benjo Cole? Move that piece of metal right there. guess I didn't beat them home. I wasted a little too much time picking that last car up. Wasted a little too much time. What's up, Joe Cole? What you doing, man? You got a game tonight, don't you?
Practicing.
Practicing?
My free time.
What's up, buddy?
Oh.
How you doing?
Good.
Like that big truck?
When are you going to deliver it?
I gotta take it tomorrow, I think. This is the first time anything has parked on this slab right here, y'all. All right, well, while it's wet outside, I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to fill this gap in right here. But that's it for this video. Oh, I wanted to tell y'all, the only negative to not delivering this car today is everything delivered on Monday. Well, Monday is the last day of the pay period. So anything delivered today, I would have got paid this Friday for it. And Tuesday is the following week. So anything picked up tomorrow to next Monday gets paid next Friday. So with that thing right there being, I think that was $90. So that ain't no big deal. It ain't worth, like I said, an extra 16 miles and 16 minutes. So I'm gonna go get me some shovels, man, and start trying to put some of this stuff down the side right there. Not quite sure why they dug this out so wide. Anyway, now that I'm looking at it. But it is what it is. All right, I'm out of here. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe. We'll holler at y'all later on. Peace. What it do, man? We back in this thing another morning. I done got this truck out here. They're doing what they call a PDI. I guess it could stand for post or pre-delivery inspection. But I left the house. Oh, hold on, let me flip the camera around. I left the house about 6:30 again this morning. Got it out here. Got a little breakfast and got out here about 8:15. And now they're checking the truck out. If it checks out, we're gonna run it down I-75 down to Perry, Georgia, and drop it off so it can be down there for the show. The Perry show is coming up like a couple of weeks. It's normally sometime in February, like between the 8th and the 12th, somewhere in that range usually. So we're gonna get that one down there, and we're gonna get this one down there. This Roto pack. So a little baby truck. Andrew gonna drive this one, and I'm gonna take that one, and shoot, we'll hit the road. So we should be ready to rock here in a minute when they get done. Shout out to Trucking Performance. I think he might watch the channel. I'm not sure. He was giving me a thumbs up. If you watch the channel, brother, I appreciate you. Keep doing your thing, man. Keep it between the ditches. That should be good. We're gonna put this up in there. Yeah.
We gotta lay that thing down.
Why? How you figure that?
Because you fucking rolled this motherfucker in on the fumes, and I'm gonna have to get gas in it.
Oh. Yeah, it is on. The light came on right as I was pulling in. All right, we got this thing out here. Close this door in case I need to get a thumbnail. Oh, there we go. Job well done. Another one in the books. It's weather's bad out here, man. I see it looks like you can barely see me. Anyway, that's another one in the books. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe. Did I say that backwards? Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, that's how I normally say it. Anyway, we out of here. Peace.